So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in change the date and time. Click on it. And now once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. And now you want to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in wsreset.exe. Click on it, which will now reset the Microsoft Store cache. Now once you've done all of this, hopefully this will now fix your problem. If the problem is still not working, then for the second method, in the top right of the Microsoft Store, you want to sign out of your account and then sign back in again. See if that works. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to find the Microsoft Store application that you're having a problem with. You want to click on the three dots and then click on uninstall, and then you want to uninstall it. After you uninstall it, you want to come back to the Microsoft Store and then just re-download it again. Hopefully this will fix your problem. For the last method, just do a simple restart of your computer. Come back into Windows and then see if that works.